When I say God don't play about me, I mean that. He don't play about me. That's a big fact.
It's all about you. All I need is you. So in love with you. It don't get no better than you.
Hey gang. Ow! Welcome to Vlogmas day 11. It is currently 8 p.m. on Friday night and damn, the parking lot is packed. I'm just chilling right now. I'm watching Christmas movies. I'm trying to decide what I want to eat. I don't know if I want to order something to eat. I don't know if I want to make something to eat because I'm not really like in the mood to cook. I also didn't take anything out to cook, so I might order something, but I'm like, I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want. But I'm currently about to just go and like restock all the stuff that is in my like fridge. I've been watching TikTok a lot. Or actually I've been watching TikTok compilations. Oh, the lighting. I've been watching TikTok compilations on YouTube of people restocking stuff. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I just been watching people restock stuff on TikTok and I'm just like, I'm about to restock some shit, period. So yeah, we about to restock some shit. Oh, hey you guys, my name is Tiffany. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not. I am about to put syrup in this for my coffee. Watch me. Oh shit. So I got this little thing from IKEA. It was $1 and it's like a little pump, like a, you know, a pump bottle thingy. I just washed it. Yeah, I washed it, and then I got this Skinny Syrups caramel syrup from TJ Maxx. It was $3.99, and I'm gonna just put it in here. Fill this bitch up. Then I have to restock my my fridge. I'm gonna put some, what's that called? I want to taste this. Oh shit, it won't come off. I think I'm gonna just order something to eat. Let's see. Oh, it's sweet. I don't like to add sugar to my coffee. I just like for my sweetener to be like the flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna just fill this bitch up. And then put the little lid on. And here we go. So when I make my coffee, I'll have my flavor, and then I can just use regular what's that called? I could just use like almond milk or like unflavored creamer. Then I just put that next to my coffee machine, my Keurig. Then I'm gonna just put this in my pantry. And then right now I have this can thingy. You know what? I have that can thing, but I need to make some space in here for real. Like, I really need like some like drawers or like shelves that can like fill out in my fridge, but right now we're gonna work with what we got. I'm so I'm thankful that I like this, like I live here. I remember I was stepping over like piss in the fucking hallways to leave my building, like, and stepping over piss in the staircases, and now I live in a luxury apartment building. Like I live in a luxury apartment. Like when I tell you God is good, God is amazing. Like, y'all, I remember talking to my friend in April 2020, saying like, I really just want to move back to Miami. You know, I'm ready to move back. Like I don't know when or how I'm gonna do it, but I really just want to do it, blah blah blah. And September 2020, I moved into this apartment. September 1st, 2020, I moved into this apartment. So April to September, and I was like, y'all, God is just amazing. When I tell you, when you let God do, like you just let God handle it, it's nothing you ever have to worry about, ever. Like, just let God handle it and watch how amazing shit becomes. Like, the way I got this apartment was remarkable. When I tell y'all that I had a screensaver on my phone with the exact car I have now, like a white like kitchen like background, or like the background in it was like a white kitchen, which I have now, and it had gray cabinets also, and just everything that I have literally is what, I'm not even gonna say I manifested it, because I really don't feel like I manifested it. I feel like God was just telling me like, this is what you about to have, like this is what to expect, and I have it. It's mine. Like, this is just so amazing. When I say God don't play about me, I mean that. He don't play about me. That's a big fact. Like, a big fucking fact. God don't play about me, okay? But let me show y'all what I just did. I just put some cans of soda on my little can shelf thingy majiggy. It's supposed to work like, if you take one off, they all roll, but it'd be a little janky back there, so I'm not even gonna do it. But yeah, this is what my fridge looking like right now. I need to clean it out because it's a little messy. We got some, you know, food that don't need to be in here no more. So we're gonna figure that out. I still got mac and cheese from Thanksgiving. Like, I think it's time for this to go. I'm gonna just throw it out. It pains my heart to do that, but I think I'm gonna just throw it out. Throw it out. Oh, bitch, it's lit. I got burger buns. I forgot about these. This is what I'm having for dinner. I'm gonna have a black bean burger with some french fries for dinner. I really didn't feel like cooking, but for them black bean burgers, baby, I'm gonna cook, period. I need like a little bin, like a bin that I can just like pull out. Like right now I have one in here that has like my potatoes and stuff. And I have another one in the drawer that has my fruit. All right. But I feel like I need a skinny one that I can like just put like stuff. Like I have cornmeal in here. I have like my taco shells. Like all that stuff needs to have somewhere that I can just like slide it in and out. And I feel like I need like a skinny bin that I can just put in my fridge and it can be its own little section. So I'm gonna go to Probably Ross, because Ross be having stuff for cheaper. So I'm gonna go to Ross. I don't know if I want to go tomorrow because I don't want to be around people. So I might go on Monday. Because Tuesday, you know, is senior day. So I trying to go on Tuesday. They be, woo, they be in there in the fucking droves. They be taking buses and shit to Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshalls because they get like a 10% discount. If I'm not going with a senior, I don't want it. I don't want it. You could keep Ross on a Tuesday. But yeah, y'all, that's really all I had to do. I didn't really have to do shit. I just wanted to do something. I need to fold my laundry. And yeah, I really don't know what this vlog is gonna be about, but it's gonna be about something. I still didn't take my garbage out. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really still sad. I'm really not in like a great, you know, a great mood. So that's where I'm at with it right now. Okay, I need a bin for these also. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Oh, I forgot about these. Oh, what's that? I'm about to have some of these dried Philippine mangoes from Aldi. Lit. About to have me some of these. Yeah, I'm gonna chill for a little bit. I'm gonna make the burger a little bit later. Yeah, I'm gonna just make the burger a little bit later. I'm gonna have some wine. Oh shit. Yeah, I need a container for those. I want one of those OXO containers or the knockoff. Bitch, I'm about to go on Amazon. She don't even gotta leave her house. Period. I got this glass when I went wine tasting, and it's like the perfect shape. I just love it. I have other wine glasses, but you know when you get some new shit that become your favorite, so that's where we're at right now. And then my wine fridge looks pathetic. I need to go fill this bitch up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order something. No, I'm gonna go and pick out some wines. But I opened this yesterday. This is from Aldi. Let me tell y'all, it was only like $4 or $5, but this shit right here is so good. So that's what I'm gonna drink tonight. That's what I'm drinking tonight, period. It's so good. It's not too sweet, but it's not dry. Like, it's just perfect. And it's so fucking cheap. Like, what? Girl. The best. This is perfect for a bitch like me, okay? So yeah, if you have an Aldi in your area, definitely go check this brand out. And then another one of my favorite wines from Aldi is the Pacific Fruit Vineyards, the sweet pineapple. It is so good. The sweet peach, the sweet pineapple, and the sweet watermelon, they're all good. I think they have a sweet mango also. Yeah, but all of the wines from that brand are really good. Let me turn this light off real quick, because you know we in here in the Zork. I only turn the light on because of y'all. this light in the living room is only also on because of y'all. So I'm about to turn this bitch back off. I just realized that I needed to start this vlog because day 11 for real. I need to stay back ahead of the posting schedule, because if I do need another mental break, you know, mental health break, I'm gonna have to be able to take it. But I still need to be consistent because this is a promise that I made to myself. So that's what we doing over here, okay? We making promises to ourselves and we're keeping them. So yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm also about to start looking up some like studios and stuff in a little bit. I'm start looking up studios because I want to be prepared for the top of the year when I do get back into the studio. I want to like look up reviews, like, so I just want to get ahead of the game, you know, because the bitch gonna be singing or whatever. So yeah, y'all, I will talk to y'all later, and yeah, bye. Let me go watch my Christmas movie.